when I introducing beauty of Indonesia with model videos, Photoshop, and because I like acting, Photoshop give inspiration. Let's be enthusiastic about working with brilliant. Even though the process of taking videos takes days, because I want make good work. I have many friends and family abroad and various countries. This is me when the world sees. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. But before we go, please you should like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I want to go to a new place, maybe more or less 1 year. It was very famous. If you come here, you can find like photo spot, like interesting building, statue or other. Are you curious? So come on, let's go. Alhamdulillah, we arrived. This is name's Embun Bening. It's very famous in my district. So come on, let's go to inside. We are in first yard. Wow, this is new place. Look around here, like on the hill. This is bird, I think. Wow. There is also rabbit garden here. Look at this. How many rabbit? Wow, look at this. It's very cute, right? Wow, look at this. How many deers? Hello, cute. Wow. Oh, he won't come, I think. Wow, look at this. I think they won't come to me. We have to try. We are greeted by candy park. I was remember when I was a child, I like candy. Yeah, everybody will love candy. It's the sound of people chopping wood. There is also gazebo here. Wow, it's so beautiful place. Look at this building. Wow, look at this, brother. I think this is in Sragen. Look at this nipple statue. And look around here. Oh my god, look at this. Indonesia is very peaceful. Holding on to the dream. Because it's the dream die. Life as a bird with broken wings that cannot fly. It's very beautiful place. Oh my god, you have to come here, my brother. Come on. It's so fantastic. It's about if you come here, like enjoy with your friends or other. It's so fun, man. Look at this. I'm so enjoying. Look at the view. Wow. Come on, prepare for check video and photo shoot. Fantastic place, I think. We want to take some photo here. I'm ready. I'm so happy to be here. Masya Allah. Look at this. I'm relaxing on the swing. Look at the water behind me, so calm. From the water, we learn to be calm. From stone, we learn to be strong. Today is shining. Sure. Oh, hello. Let's enjoy with me. Oh wow, what is this? I think I have to try go to inside if I can. I want check photo. I want rode in the bridge, so we should be careful. The bridge is made of bamboo. How about we just take photo from the side? Wow, look at this. This is a what? Photo spot again. It's up there. Oh, what is that? I don't know. Oh wow, look at this. I think this is snow. Oh, they are make this, my brother. Wow, it's so creative and it's so brilliant. Masya Allah. Here I am, Indonesia, my brother. Look at this. It's so beautiful place if you come here. They are more photo spot. Okay. visit Indonesia, my brother. Come on. Oh, look at this. Like in Amsterdam, Belanda, I think. Oh hi, life just one. So come on, enjoy our life with your people love it. So trip today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you fully enjoyed. Hope you fully